Well, I decided it was time to get the baby sea turtles back out. I mostly finished these probably about 4 months ago, but never had the time to come back and quilt them. The sea turtle itself is a collage of circular cut fabric. It's been appliqued onto a dark blue with Prussian blue acrylic paint. Then I went in and speckled it with iridescent gold. I am now just stitching the turtle itself down around it to the batting and to the back. I'm using a ruler foot to do this, so that way I can somewhat kind of space the quilting that I'm about to do. I decided to do echo quilting because that really mimics kind of like sea waves around the turtle, even though I do call this one the space turtle. The ruler foot really does make it easy. And of course this is all free motion. One of the hurdles with acrylic canvas quilting is that once you puncture the canvas, that is pretty much it. It is permanently there. If you don't get it good the first pass, well, you're done. I managed to get over that stress pretty quick, and now I just sort of roll with it. These smaller sea turtles are a lot better than the big ones that I've made. The big ones were really just too big. And once I get the quilting done closer to the edge, I don't have to stop and start so much. I just sort of quilt off the edge. Then when the piece is squared, I come back and satin stitch everything down, so all the loose thread on the edges just sort of gets tied down. It's really amazing how the iridescent gold paint really pops on this canvas. I seem to have put my scissors somewhere. That is the one thing about free motion quilting is you're having to coordinate the speed of the presser foot, or I'm sorry, the pedal, while you're simultaneously handling the motion. But as difficult as this is, it's a lot more fun than quilting fabric, in my opinion. It's a lot more challenging. And hopefully you can see the waves starting to really develop the further out I get. I determined early on that it's best to keep going the same direction. It just seems to have problems if you try to go backwards. Well, maybe that one wasn't so bad going the other direction. It definitely speeds up the process. Of course, the one thing I'm sitting here hoping is that my bobbin is still full enough to keep going. That looks like that is it. So let's see if I can hold this up. So that is the space turtle Thanks for watching.